This is a quick video, a tip about replacing the bolts that hold the tank to the bowl. These are the two things that I needed to do the repair: an extra thick gasket for 2-inch uh, connector and two bolts that included 4 nuts, 4 metal washers, and 4 rubber washers. So there's 3 different ways, 3 different instructions that you can get putting a bolt through the tank and the bowl of a toilet to attach them. So the first method is to put a rubber washer, put that through the tank, then put it through the bowl, then put a metal washer and put a nut and tighten the nut until that seals and the toilet thing seals. The second method is to put a rubber washer, put it through the tank, then put a metal washer, put a nut, tighten this against the bottom of the tank, then put this through the bowl, then put a rubber washer, then put a metal washer, and then a nut, and tighten that to the bowl. Now, I tried this method because if this rusts out and you have to cut this bolt off with a hacksaw, if you do it this way, there's a nut in the way. This way, there's no nut. You could just pull the bolt straight up without a problem. The problem is this one leaked, because I had to do it twice. So in order to do it, maybe it's because I have an older toilet, but the way to do it so it won't leak is to put the rubber washer, put this through the tank, then put another rubber washer, then a metal washer, then a nut, tighten this up snugly, but don't break the porcelain. But that gets a good seal here. Then put the bottom portion into the bowl, then put a metal washer, and then a nut, and tighten this up to the bowl. And again, be careful, don't over tighten it, because you don't want to crack the porcelain. And then this will not leak.